This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, February 5th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. See, the snowstorm that brought the heavy snow to central and southwestern Iowa is continuing to weaken over Missouri and Kansas. Some storms over the southeast, South Texas, and another one nearing the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from before midnight. Pretty quiet across the country. No significant weather advisories, watches, or warnings. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock. Looks to be pretty dry across most of the country outside of the west coast, South Texas, and the southeast up into the Carolinas and Mid-Atlantic. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 6 p.m. this evening, you can see the energy moving down into the Ohio Valley with the weakening upper level feature. With the jet stream still well to our north, we'll have a little bit of a cool spell here with warm air flooding the Dakotas, but cold air is in Canada and it's marching southward toward us. Monday, it'll be moving back into the Dakotas, Minnesota. Temperatures here will be in the 40s on Monday, but that's going to be the last day in the 40s because Tuesday, temperatures drop. Could be a few flurries, nothing more than that. Temperatures back into the lower and middle 30s. Cooler in the snow-packed areas of western Iowa. Heading into Wednesday, still remaining seasonally cool. 30s for highs, lows around 20 or a few degrees either side of 20. Same goes for Thursday. Another push of cold air comes down. But given the lack of snowpack in most of the state, it will keep readings near normal once again. Even into Friday, we'll see temperatures in the 30s, maybe a few upper 20s for highs, with the precip well to our south and east. It continues even into Saturday. Precip all along the coast, and cold high pressure almost directly overhead. A week from today, on the 12th, at the 500 millibar level, west-northwesterly flow from Canada, split flow with the southern jet stream across the south and the north across the Great Lakes and into the northeast, and we'll have some southwesterly winds ahead of another Arctic front that'll be sweeping southward later the following week with maybe another chance of some snow. Heading into the further part of February the 16th. The northern part of the jet stream near the U.S.-Canadian border, the southern jet across the Gulf Coast, and this will look mild with the cold air up in Canada. This could mean temperatures in the 40s if this is right, and could melt some of that fresh snow that has fallen over western Iowa. At the end of the forecast, the 20th, some energy moving across the Great Lakes and in the Canadian Maritimes, an upper level feature over Southern California. And this looks a little bit cooler with some rain, maybe some rain-snow mix across the state if this is right, as the pattern gets a little more active heading into the latter half of February. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.